Hi guys, Mac here. Welcome to my channel Mac On. Today we'll be reviewing and unboxing Amazon Echo Smart Speakers. So let's begin with unboxing. So we have unboxed it. As you can see, there are 7 microphones which forms an array which recognizes your voice. This is mute button, this is action button, volume up, down. Body is strong, made up of fabric cover. Nice build quality. Apart from this, these are the apps which is compatible to Amazon, TED, Philips, NDTV and more. So let's start with the review of Amazon Echo Smart Speakers. Starting from the body, it has a very good build quality. It has a fabric cover. The base is made up of rubber, so it gets good grip. It has an omnidirectional speakers. The speakers, 360 speakers they have 7 microphones over here which catches your voice from any corner of your house. The most important thing, it doesn't have battery. It has to be plugged in all the time when you use it. Okay, so once you get your device, you have to pair it with your phone and then you have to configure it with Wi-Fi, and after that you can, if you don't have phone, you don't want to use it, you can use this device independently without your phone. But you have to download an app called Alexa on your phone so that you can make your Alexa learn skills. Skills ये होता है कि जितना आप अपने डिवाइस को सिखाओगे उतना वो सीखते जाएगा. So you have to download few skills to make it learn. Now let's give some commands to Alexa. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 12:14 a.m.
Alexa, set the alarm for 7 a.m.
Alarm set for 7 a.m.
Alexa, cancel the alarm.
7 a.m. alarm cancelled.
Okay, Alexa, remind me tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. to call my mom.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 7 a.m.
So let's see the music quality of our speaker. Alexa, play some music.
Hindi chart busters from Savan.
Take your music wherever you go. Listen offline, get Savan Pro.
Alexa, lower the volume to 2. Alexa, volume 5. Alexa, volume 10. Stop. As you can see, we can change or control the volumes as per our voice commands. Now let's give some more commands to it. Alexa, play some ghazals.
Ghazal songs from Savan.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play Bum Diggy Diggy Bum.
Boom Diggy Diggy from Savan.
Alexa, stop. As you can can see we have specified a particular song and it has cached it properly. Nice. So I have made Alexa learn few skills such as Go Ibibo, NDTV, Aaj Tak. So let's try them. Alexa, start Go Ibibo.
Welcome to Go Ibibo. Discover flight fares, bus fares, Go cash balance and status of your upcoming bookings. What would you like to know?
Flight fares.
Sorry, was not able to understand that. What would you like to know?
Flight fares.
Which city are you leaving from?
Mumbai.
Where are you traveling to?
Goa.
When do you wish to travel?
1st of April.
The best economy class fare from Mumbai to Goa on April 1st is 2,338 rupees. This is provided by Go Air. It departs at 22:10 and takes 1 hour 15 minutes to reach its destination. What else would you like to know?
Alexa, stop.
Thank you for using Go Ibibo. Look forward to see you again soon.
Alexa, what's the news?
Here's your flash briefing. From Aaj Tak.
राहुल के ट्वीट पर छिड़ा सियासी घमासान। कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष ने नरेंद्र मोदी एप्लीकेशन से
Alexa.
अमेरिकी कंपनी
Stop. This device also helps you in shopping from Amazon. Just you have to log in your Amazon account on your mobile app. You will just try it. Alexa, add garbage bags in my cart.
Alright, I've added garbage bags to your cart.
Alexa, add AAA batteries in my cart.
Sure, AAA. Batteries is now in your cart.
Now these both things are in my cart, Amazon cart. So apart from these all things, it is used for home automation also. It can be used for Philips Hue lights. You can on off the light, you can change the color temperature of the light. Also you can use it for compatible Wi-Fi switches. You can on off the switches using it later on. With more updates and all, you can use many things which are compatible to it. So it is good to go for a start. So concluding on this review, it is a very nice speaker with a very nice build quality. Sound is excellent, bass is excellent. The only flaw in this which I feel is it doesn't have batteries and it has to be used with AC cord. Hope you have liked this video and found it useful. If you have liked it, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.